So I was going through the news and I found something very disturbing, very heinous. There is something called sniper tourism. So prosecutors in Milan, they have opened up a file, or they have reopened up the file in a way we can say, where it is examined that, you know, during the Bosnia rebellion or something like that, during the Bosnia conflict, you can say, wealthy Italians paid crores of rupee, you know, as much as 100,000 euros to go and shoot people, men, women, and children from a hilltop in Sarajevo. Please forgive my pronunciations, but Sarajevo hilltop, and they were given snipers and they would shoot people. Things like that happen, and they were priced differently based on if it was a man, if it was a woman, or if it was a children. So this kind of thing happened. I read this in the Guardian and the BBC reporting it. So you can check that full report there as well. So, but this is something so heinous, especially and this happened in 1992, 1995, in between 1992 and 1995, and this Bosnia rebellion is one of the bloodiest conflict in Europe after World War II. And this became a siege, the siege of Bosnia and siege of Sarajevo. So this kind of things happen, and this kind of things happen in this earth, where in Europe, where you don't expect this kind of things, and this happened. So this was really something very disturbing, and I was really going through it, and I read it, and so I thought about sniper tourism. That's what they called, and that's what the media is calling it now. And so the prosecutors are examining it, and just look at the mentality of people. If they were paying money, a lot of money, to kill people as a sport, mind you, as a sport. So that is wrong on so many levels. And what is happening? Why is, and that is in like 30 years ago. So just imagine. Yeah, so that is something I was going through, and so I thought I would let you know.